What's up everybody, and welcome to today's Tableau walkthrough. In this video we're going to build a tree map. So tree maps are pretty unique, and specifically kind of unique to Tableau. They may be a little bit hard to understand, specifically because they do not look like a tree. When you first think of tree maps, you might actually think of a decision tree. However, this is a little bit different. Tree maps display data in nested rectangles. Let's get into it. The first thing that we want to do is make sure our Tableau application is open. And you can see that mine is open, and your screen should look very similar to this depending on which Tableau version you're actually using. Then you need to connect your data source. So I'm going to navigate to the left hand of the screen, scroll down to the Save Data Sources, and then I'm going to click on the Sample Superstore data source. So I'm going to click here, and then now my worksheet is open. So to build a tree map, you need the march card, and you need that to be square. You need a dimension in our color variable, dimension or measure in our color march card. And then our size needs to be a measure, and our label or detail needs to be a dimension. So to start off, we're going to drag cells to the rows and subcategory to the columns. So what this tree map is actually going to visualize is the cells by subcategory. So we'll be able to identify the subcategory that has the most cells and the least amount of cells given this tree map. Like I said before, we're going to drag cells to the rows shelf, and then we're going to drag subcategory, which is under product hierarchy, drag that to the column shelf. Just click, drag, makes it very simple and easy to use. Then we have automatically defaulted to a bar chart, but to change it to a tree map, you just need to simply go to the Show Me panel, which is on the right. You can click it. Then if you go right below the horizontal bars, you'll see a tree map, and right below that you'll see those little tips of what you need to create a tree map. In this particular case, we have one or more dimensions and we have one or more measure. So if we click this, it automatically shifts to a tree map. So now that we have this tree map, we can see that based on the color scale, the higher values represented in dark blue and the lower values are represented in light blue. So this visualization shows us that chairs and phones have the highest sales based on subcategory, and labels and fasteners are on the lower end. So maybe we need to do some marketing to sell more fasteners and labels, but we already sell a lot of chairs and phones, so we're okay with marketing there. Or maybe we can actually improve our advertisement so that we can actually sell more chairs and more phones, and maybe this is just the market for chairs and phones. So now that we've created our tree map, let's give it a title. So I'm going to scroll down to sheet 1, double click that, type in tree map. That will change our title. And now you have created your first tree map in Tableau. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.